Hey guys, good morning. Happy Wednesday. This is trade number one. It has covered the spread twice. It has been green in the money once. We got it set at 1 pip, which is 500,000 unit, which is 5 lots, which is $50 per pip. You won't obviously you don't start out there. You're going to start low based off your account size. So if you got $100 account you're practicing on, it'll be 10 cents. If you got $1,000 account you practicing on, it'll be $1, right? And so you kind of have to scale up. So time limit set at 9 o'clock. And so when it comes down and bounces off that strike rate, the question that I asked over in the training channel was, do you know what that means when it keeps bouncing off the strike, right? 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, 6 times, 10 times, however many times. What does it mean and how do you react? It's not a trick question because depending upon what phase you are, your reaction is different. So if you're a mechanical trader, it means nothing, right? That trade runs till 9 o'clock until it goes down there and hits $50, or until I stop it at 9 o'clock. After 9 o'clock, it's a 2 hour minimum on strategy 3. On strategy 4, which is also confirmed, that is a 30-minute to an hour and a half strategy. So we're going to leave it at 9 o'clock. And although the strategy number 3 is a minimum 2 hours, in other words, you got to let it run 2 hours. It's an out of the money strategy. We could let it go from 9 to 10, 11, however long you have to watch it, money, all these different things you'll learn. But because strategy number 4 is a 30-minute to an hour and a half and it's chiseled in stone, we're going to leave it for 9 o'clock. So at 9 o'clock, we'll record this either as a win or a loss. And again, depending upon what phase you're in, depends on whether it's just a check mark or it's a dollar amount. So we're going to watch this. It did hit 3/10 of a pip. So if you're a money trader and not trying to learn the skill set, you could have watched that trade for 30 minutes. And based on how much you're playing with, you could count that as a win. And so for someone like a Mike Fasola that says likes trying to make certain amounts, if he takes profit that's smaller than his mindset amount, then it just goes into his reserve account. If he loses less than his mindset number, right, then it just removes from the reserve. So you can play this thing different ways once you understand how the strategies work. So started a little bit after 7. We hadn't been in it quite an hour, maybe 40 minutes. So we're going to watch this thing play to 9. It'll either be a win or a loss. That will be dependent upon what phase you're in. If you have any questions, I'll be here. Kayla's coming in. She's got her session at 9. And then after that, I'm going to be out of the office for a couple hours. And then I got some sessions tonight. I've got 3 sessions. I think the first one starts at 4. I think I got one at 4, one at 5, and one at 6:15, something like that. So if you have any questions, let me know. I'll hang around. If I get another one this morning, I'll send it out. If I don't, that doesn't mean trading's not good. It just means I don't have time to be looking at it. I'm looking at something else. So 1.6 pips down. That's exactly what we gave up. So mindset, I'm even. Money-wise, I'm down $100 right now, right? $50 a pip, down 2 pips, I'm down $100. So your mindset's going to determine on how you play this thing. So if you have any questions, please let me know. See you. Oh, if you don't understand what I'm talking about, don't worry about it, right? You'll get to that stage if you decide you want to get to that stage. If you do know what I'm talking about, but what I'm telling you contradicts something I taught you, like a Trey or a John that's learning the strategies and just working on skill set, I might tell you something. If I say something in this channel that is different than what, like Trey and I talked last night, you're only on Euro USD, you're not allowed to think. Tell me the entry time, tell me the exit time, tell me how many pips you gave up. Let's start a record. John, same thing, right? Then you're just waiting for 9 o'clock to tell me if it wins or loses. No money. You're just going to say I watched it till 9 o'clock, like you said, and it won or it lost. On your trade, this is not a signal. It's not a follow. This is just to show you how to do it and how to record it. So that's all the time I've got. See you guys soon. Peace.